Hello everyone, this is Petko Alexandrov, and today I will show you some results that I have from my account. And it is Saturday, by the way. You see the market is not opened, but I had already many trades that happened during the week, so I've been trading 5 days with these portfolio experts. And as you can see, I have $3.90 of opened profit, which means that I have opened trades left after Friday evening, and many traders ask me if I pause the trading on Friday till Monday. No, I don't, so I just keep it all automatically, and these expert advisors were trading all the time since Monday till Friday, 5 days. And what you can see is that my balance is already $1,169.59, which is pretty decent result for me. Okay, this is 16.9%, almost 17% for 1 week. Not bad. And I have decided to record a course with $1,000 account because this is kind of average amount that the traders start with, but please don't take it as a recommendation. Even if you start with less, that is alright. I have shown to you how I calculate the lots, so if you trade with a smaller amount, just reduce the lot size. And I strongly suggest you to start first with a demo account to practice the process and not to hurry for a live account. But personally, I have tested this method, and I know that after testing these expert advisors for 1 month, and you saw how I tested them, I didn't do anything. Basically, I just recalculated with the fresh historical data in EA Studio, and I have selected the most profitable strategies from the last month, and I'm alright to put them in my real account and to trade with them. But one more time, I would suggest you do that first on a demo account, at least for a couple of months, to make sure you are confident with the system and you want to use it with your real money. Okay, because there is always a risk. This is the market, so don't hurry trading with real money unless you are satisfied with the results on a virtual account, and you should do that only if you are confident in what you are doing. Okay, so let's have a look now at the account history. We will see many trades that opened and closed since Monday. I can arrange them by the profit, so I will see the ones that did most profit, and on the top I will see the ones that did losses. So you can see that some of the trades hit the take profit, others hit the stop loss. Where there is no red or green, it means the exit condition closed the trade, and it could be on profit, it could be a loss. As we said, every strategy has losing trades and it has profitable trades. The thing is, I don't want to trade the strategies that are currently losing or that are in their losing phase. This is why I will be using the magic numbers, and they're not visible here, but if I right click on this bar where we see price, swap, profit, and I select comments, you will see the magic numbers on the right side. And if you remember, when I was placing these portfolio experts over the charts, for the euro dollar I have selected to use 100, and then for pound dollar 200, and for euro pound 120. Now, because I have 10 strategies for each portfolio expert advisor, they start from 0. So the magic number that ends on 0, this is the first strategy from the portfolio expert advisor, and then the second one is 01, and the third one is 02. So the 10th strategy, for example, the 10th strategy on euro pound is this one, 120009, and even I arrange them by comment. I will see on the top first the euro dollar performance, then the euro pound, and then on the bottom I will see the pound dollar. But still, it is very hard to understand and to figure out which are the strategies that are actually profiting and which are the strategies that are actually losing. So this is why I will use an external website to follow the results, and I have shown that in some of my courses already, but if you haven't seen it, that will be very useful to you. So when you start trading with the portfolio experts, you will be able to follow the results. And if you haven't seen the portfolio experts, they were attached in the previous lecture, okay, as a resource file, so you can download it from there. Now, after I have been trading for 5 days with these portfolio experts, I want to see which of the strategies brought me profits and which of the strategies brought me losses. And the strategies that brought me losses, I want to remove those from my account, and I will show you how that works. It's really nothing hard. So I will bring on the recording field the website FX Blue, which is popular for many things, but I use it especially to follow the results from my accounts. So I will show you how to register a new account. All you need to do is to click on account synchronization and register. Depends if you are using MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. Now the portfolio expert advisors, they work with MetaTrader 4. So I use MetaTrader 4 and I click on register. And from here you need to select the broker server. It's so many brokers. So you just select the server of your broker. You need to enter the account number, and then you need to enter the read-only password. Enter your email and click on register. Now I have already done that, so I will just need to log in. So as a login, I will enter the account number, and as password is the read-only password for your account, and I click on login, and here it is. I will go to statistics and let's see what we have here. We have history of 5 days. Profit factor so far is 1.84, and we have monthly return of 19.3%, a weekly return of 17%. Now the monthly return is not really realistic because it's just based on these 5 days, but the weekly is realistic because we have already traded a week with these portfolio experts, and there is so much of information here. If I go to charts, you will see what a great balance chart I have for the moment. Here are the symbols. So what you can notice is that I did most profit with euro pound, euro dollar not bad, and the pound dollar is a little bit on a net profit of $9, which is still fine, not losing, but it was not the week for the pound dollar with these expert advisors. But that's the idea, one more time, of the risk diversification. Okay, this is why I trade different currency pairs with different strategies. So if one of the portfolio experts doesn't really profit, the others compensate for that. And now if I go to strategy, you will see that I have all the strategies here listed. They are arranged by the magic numbers by default, and I have net profit of 169.59, and then I have the profit factor, how many winners, how many losers, still small number of trades. You can see 1, 3, 2, 4. This one opened 6, so I guess this is the most active strategy until the moment, but it has negative of 5.18. And if I scroll to the right, you will see so many statistics from FX Blue, like total win pips, total loss pips. We have the net pips, which is pretty cool. And we have a lot of statistics that I'm not really using. I just look at those sometimes, but what I concentrate on is the net profit. I usually arrange the strategies according to the net profit. So on the top I see the ones that do the best, and you can see that the first one did 3 trades, $53 of profit, and it is the first strategy for euro pound, no losses. And then on the bottom I have the strategies that are losing. Alright, and in the next lecture I will show you how I remove the strategies that are losing, what I'm looking at, and basically how I do the whole thing of managing these strategies and portfolio expert advisors. Alright, we'll see you in the next video, and if you have found that one useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, plus hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we upload new videos. Bye guys!